Discover the perfect spot in Fritch, Texas, in the Ponderosa Section 2 subdivision. This 0.88-acre lot offers a great location near shops, schools, and just minutes from Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. Whether you're planning to build a home or start a business, this land is ready for you. Electricity and water are nearby and just need to be installed. A septic system is also required. With no POA fees, low property taxes, and owner financing available, it's an affordable way to make your dream a reality. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Carson County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.